Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up another one of these the original Boomerang Interactive Stunt UFO. Alright, we did one of the larger ones in a previous video. If you want to see it, we'll leave you a link in the description below. Go watch it. This is the smaller one. Looks to be about maybe 3 inches long. Thought we'd open this, show you how to use it. Alright, let's see if we can open this up and get it going here. This you can go to their website if you want to scan that. Here it is. Let's see how we get this out of here. Okay, like that. Comes out like that. There's your charging port right there. Once again, here's the instructions, and once again, all else fails, read the directions. Alright. Here's your charger. Plugs in the USB port of your computer. Okay, you want to charge this. Charging port's right here on the top. It says charge. Plug this in. There it is. Right there. Plug it in. Plug this into your USB port. Takes 20-25 minutes to charge it. It says it runs for about 6 to 8 minutes. Show you how you start this thing. Take your finger and thumb, top and bottom right there, spin it. Just like that. And there it goes. We'll get it out there and show you how to do it here. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing flying here. Once again, hold it, spin it. Uh-oh. You grab a hold of it, it turns it off. Okay? Okay, looks like we're going to have to go charge it. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing going and see if we can make it fly back to us here. Alright. Well, it doesn't come back, does it? But you can hold it like this. Look at the colors in that thing. Wow. See if we can get this to fly back to us here. Yeah. Let's try that again. Okay. Remember, start it, you just spin it. Hey, it came back pretty good, didn't it? Of course, you have to go chase it down now. There it goes. Look at those colors, though. Wow. Alright, let's see if we can balance this like do a basketball. Let's see, start it by spinning it. Okay. I guess it can't, huh? Oh well, we tried that one. It is flashing. I do like those colors though. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. That way you won't miss any of our videos. If you can, please help support this channel. You can send us things to video, opening video, or you can send a donation. There's links in the description below. and we'll see you next time.